do you like unicorns? Because unicorns are pretty awesome. And if you don't like them,
that's okay. That's totally okay if you don't like them. But if you do, look at not bubble wrap. Look at all the stuff that I have that is unicorn themed from Sophie and Toffee. So I am doing a bonus video showing you guys how to make your very own unicorn cookie charm that you can use as a pin or a necklace, but you could do it however you want because you're a free person.
You're a free person, and unicorns are awesome. Who doesn't like unicorns? Especially if you clicked, you like unicorns, and I know it.
Today's shout out goes to Shadow Storm. If you want a shout out in my next video, you have two options. The first one is hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below within the first 45 minutes of a video's release. Or the second option is post one of your art pieces on either Instagram and tag Nerdecrafter or on Facebook on my Facebook page. The second option doesn't have to be within the first 45 minutes of a video. It could be anytime. If you want to see the unboxing of this video, make sure you check it out on my vlog channel, Nerdy Jackie. What I'm really excited about is this super soft clay. So the fun thing is that it can be boiled, and all you have to do is simmer it. Not shimmer it, you have to simmer it. That's probably just the teacher in me. I'm just fixing that. So this clay is not exactly extremely soft because I like mine extremely ridiculously soft, but it is a happy middle between Primo and Sculpey 3, which means that those of you who get like sweaty hands or warm hands will like this because it's stiff enough and soft enough to be just in between. So it's a really happy middle. The box came with this hollow paper and I was like, I need me some hollow. So I tried putting it to see if it would transfer on the unicorn, but I kept smoothing it and it had nothing to do with that. It was like, I want nothing to do with that. So I was like, all right. For now you win, hollow paper, but I will get you later. I found that the best ways to divide the unicorn really is on the bulges in the back of the head. So where the hair kind of waves in the back, that's where you're going to make your divisions, and then the rest kind of falls together. If you're going to use a little stone, make sure you make that little indent before baking it. Now you're going to bake it according to package instructions. Now put a layer of UV resin. And I seem to see there's a little bubble. Can you get out of there? Excuse me. You need to get out of there. You can either shine a UV light on your UV resin to let it harden or put it on a sunny windowsill for about half an hour. Both work equally well. Now let's put a second layer of that white so that it's a lot less transparent. Now we're going to double check that we don't have to remove any... Oh! Does that smell like fruit? Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's my brain playing tricks on me, but this smells... I can smell it from far. Don't sniff resin, guys, just don't. But this is from Japan and I don't know why. It smells like darn strawberries. It smells like strawberries. Why? Why? I don't get it. Why is a supposedly craft material that's not necessarily good for you? You're supposed to wear a mask. But then again, this is Japan. I can't necessarily read the instructions, but it smells good. Just don't whiff it. Keep it from far. Don't be like me. Now you're going to be using that puffy resin exactly the same way you would be using icing cookie icing. Don't mix up your words. So you're going to put it on, spread it, and then harden in between layers. And if you want to add colors, you can mix it with the other one. So I made a purple by adding a little bit of black. Make sure you harden it every single time between layers. For the horn, the option is absolutely yours. You can put some black resin and then a kind of gem on top, or you can leave it without a kind of background and just put the gem on top. But you know me, I wanted it to be a real unicorn, so I added gold foil right on top. Now use your black resin and make the eyes. I decided to do 2 layers just to make it a little darker. If you want to add blush, go ahead and do that, but I didn't want any blush on my unicorn because it's not shy, it's totally outgoing. Hello, Holo, my old friend. I decided to put resin and then the holo paper right on top, cured it, and then put another layer of resin right on top to seal that stuff. So there you go, holo paper. She's the winner now. All done! Now, if you wanted to make this into a necklace, you could have put the little eye pin things, were already these things, right before you bake it, right on top, kind of like here. Or if you want to turn it into a pin, you can just kind of glue it here or use resin to keep it intact. And I love it. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's really an easy project. It shouldn't take you too long, but I like to complicate my life and made the back hollow. So yeah, let me know if you guys would have made the hair in any color that you want. Would you have made it rainbow? Would you have made it like kind of changing colors? Let's not pretend that there's limits to colors. So whatever colors you want, let me know down below. So if you guys are interested in checking out Sophie and Toffee, I'll leave the links down below. This is not sponsored. I just love getting this craft subscription box with so many goodies, and the theme for unicorn was right up of my geeky alley. Let's check out what we got in our Aki Bento. This is a monthly subscription box for you anime geeks out there. The theme for next month is passion, and you have things like Yuri on Ice, Free, and Haikyuu. But this month's theme is, let's see, I kind of forgot what this month's theme is. Let's just pretend, let's just pretend it's fighting. I forgot what it was. But yeah, it looks epic. Alright, let's check it out. I thought I saw Gara. Yes! Okay, so I'm gonna move this over here and show you guys. First we get a Gara plushie from Naruto. So he was actually one of my favorite characters. Especially, I stopped watching it after I think like episode 200, and I still like this guy. A One Punch Man Saitama. I think the new season's starting up soon, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is really cute. A little keychain that you can actually use as a bag charm, or even in your car if you do drive. A Sword Art Online lanyard. So, ooh, that is shiny. What does it look like here? Okay, so we have Kirito and Asuna, and I thought I saw little charms. Where are they? Yes. Okay, so we have 2 little charms stuck to this, and a t-shirt. Ooh, I do not know this anime. That's what I love about this box, is that it really kind of makes me re-watch some things or go on Crunchyroll and check out whether or not these animes are there so that I can check them out. There are just too many animes to be able, and manga, to be able to catch up every single week. So yeah, you kind of have to choose your battle and your genre. And then we have an exclusive Aki Bento apron, which I don't want to take out of the box because it's always harder to put it back in there. But it is a One Punch Man, so C-Class Hero apron. Last 2 items, No Game, No Life pins. Oh, that is cute. That is really, really cute. I did watch, I think, maybe 4 or 5 episodes of No Game, No Life. I couldn't get into it, but let me know if it gets better later on. And we have the monthly pin. Oh, okay, so the theme is Guardian. The theme is Guardian for this month. Well, not this month, for December. So yeah. I love these boxes. If you guys want more information, I'll leave them down below. I am not affiliated, and this is not sponsored. I just have fun unraveling geeky stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, I will see you on Friday.